The biggest challenge that I see in the industry is employee retention. We've seen a tremendous drop in the amount of clinicians coming into the field, and that's having a trickle-down effect. We use ESO data, operational data really. We look very closely at employees, how many days they work for us. We analyze other EMS systems within the state to try and make sure that our benefits and wages are on par, or at least in the same neighborhood as other providers. A lot of that data comes right out of ESO.
One of the big selling features with ESO was its user friendliness. When you're taking groups of paramedics who are a lot were at my age that are coming up and used to doing paper, and paperwork and state reporting has become such an important part, not as important as taking care of patients, but it's still a requirement of the job, and having a system available that allows that process to be easy was very important to our crews.
We were using another platform prior to this. One of our shortfalls was the ability of the user to document efficiently, and this has definitely solved that problem immensely for us, which in return returns us with much better data.
There are a lot of items within the software itself that make it very user-friendly. So when you're able to touch fields that have defaults that pop up, it comes in from the right side of the screen, you touch it, goes back out again, or based on your history, what I love about it in certain fields, it has the defaults of the items that are used most often in your agency. There's less typing involved. So before you wrote a lot of reports and you really didn't see that data, but now that you have access to it, it helps for people to learn or improve their skills and realize that what you're doing is just not patient care. There's what happens to that patient years down the road.